TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 31. NASDAQ is off 11. S&Ps are off 7.5. Gold contract down $10.70, trading at $1164.50. You have silver off 14 cents at $15.99. A light sweet crude down 53 cents at $57.47 a barrel. Bonds are in an ABC structure on the way down. You have the 10-year down 31 ticks, 124.31. 30-year off 1 full point and 12 ticks at 150 even. King dollar's up 1,267 ticks at 96.76. You have the euro down 163 at 110, and the yen is up a penny and a half at 125.71. Now let's go take a look at it. What do you have? Your cash S&P, folks. What we're going to see out here is this. First off, you're going to have high volatility all day long. Market was down about 80 Dow points. We're at 26. I expect you're going to go back to flat. And then guess what, folks? You're going to give it up again. This is a trader's paradise out here. So your cash S&P, bottom line, it looks to me like your cash S&P is going to close under the 2093. We're about 2090 at this particular point. What that sets up, folks, that sets up a much lower range in the cash and the S&P. So you have two different ranges. One is the saying you're going to go to 2039, and we're at 088. The second one, though, if we do this close under 2039, is saying, hey, we're going down to 1982. So that's 100 S&P points on the way down. Sweet little deal. Well, let's go over right now. We just take a look at intraday, okay? Intraday, what we have in here, we got a nice little rally happening right now. And what I expect you're going to see, you're coming back up to ICE. And what you're going to have out here is this. Your futures are at 2094. We have a high volume swing low out there, so that's saying we're going to be back down at those lower levels. But I expect what you're going to see out here is that this little baby can get into the 96 level, and we're at 2093 right now. So volatility out here in spades. Now, let's go over to the gold contract. Smashing gold on a Friday, but guess what? They can't get it under 64. They got it 1162. You had the thrust down, huge thrust down, but from the first thrust down, folks, there's no juice on it. So what does that mean? It means you're going to start working your way all the way back topside. And what is that all about? That is all about King Dollar. King Dollar has the price out here today. We're up 1,200 ticks, penny 0.2, and guess what? You don't have any volume behind the move. Right now, we get 53,000 contracts. You need like 100,000 contracts, not even close. What you're going to see out here, more than likely, by the end of today, we're at 96.65. You're going to see this little baby close more than likely under the 96.57. Now, not that that's a huge deal, but it is a huge deal in the context of where we are. Why? Because we're going into 86,000 contracts, and this is not enough juice. This dollar wants lower price, even with the amount of price point that it's up right now. Bonds. Let's go over to the bond market. What do we have with bonds? Bonds, folks, are in a very large ABC structure on the way down. You're getting follow-through in the bond market. The rates are getting higher on a very fast basis. Right now, the ABC structure on the way down, whether it's the 10-year or the 30-year, they're both in an ABC. They broke the B points. They broke them with volume. And I expect what you're going to see bonds continue to go lower in price, higher in yield. Bottom line, we can expect out here today, what you have out here today, folks, is this. You're going to have high volatility. By the end of the day, we're going to be dramatically lower once again. The market's made it all the way back topside. What I expect you're going to see is that, bottom line, we have about to 1 o'clock because it's summer trading. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they've just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.